Superior labial artery anatomy. 6. Questions and answers. Is the superior labial artery a branch of the facial artery? Yes, the superior labial artery is a branch of the facial artery. Is the superior labial artery larger than the inferior labial artery? Yes, the superior labial artery is larger than the inferior labial artery. Does the superior labial artery course along the edge of the upper lip? Yes, the superior labial artery courses along the edge of the upper lip. What do the superior labial arteries supply? The superior labial arteries supply the upper lip. Does the superior labial artery send branches to the nose? Yes, the superior labial artery sends branches to the nose. Does the superior labial artery anastomose with the same artery of the opposite side? Yes, the superior labial artery anastomoses with the same artery on the opposite side.